that way, at least I've got the beginning part saved. I prefer how my case is laid out. It's reverse toy hours, preferred grammar Nazi Kappa. Is lonely, looking for another grammar bully.
My back is starting to kill me, dude.
I can imagine. Back to having my phone and charge, so I've actually got something.
That you're going to do what with, dude? Cell towers will go down.
I know.
The only thing that will work will be the landlines.
At least all those that don't require plug-in power.
Yeah.
Like mine.
The old school landlines will work. No. 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 No, 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 no.
Well, you know what you should have brought for this 3-hour period? Dungeons and Dragons.
How would we have played Dungeons and Dragons, Simon?
With a torch.
Touché.
Ha 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 ha! He's back. Says free leecher. What CPU? An i7 6700K. Skylake, basically.
Oh, we're going to need to take a break once this is in, Simon. We will need to take a genuine pause. As in, a stop stream or do a BRB screen or something, so prepare yourself. Okay. You have to come here, please, son. I require your assistance.
You do realise if you want me to go over there and help, I'm going to have no time to prepare a BRB screen.
Thumb, please.
Bollocks.
Simon.
Does the CD tray remove?
No, it does not. Thumb on, please. The CD trays do not remove, they're riveted in. To do that, I'd have to drill out the welds, and I can't be fucked doing that. Right. I'm going to slide it this way towards me, please. Go down there. So go down there.
I can't see what people are saying.
Sorry, chat. You must wait a moment for a reply. I'm gonna get this fucking in there. Put that fucker through there.
That doesn't look like it's dropping to me.
Because it's not, that's what I said.
Got it?
Got 3 screws in it.
Maybe the rest.
Put this top one in. Right, there we go, each fan's got 2 on, I can work it from there.
Wait, what are people saying? Booksaw, drill, lol, how do you plan to do this? I wouldn't do it that way. Well, it's not about what you would do, it's about what we would do.
This is not what I would do.
You only wouldn't do it because of the logo.
Yeah.
But if it was all about performance and getting everything in, this is how you would do it.
Yes.
Exactly. I would put 2 fans on the top, screw them into the plastic using 4 short screws.
Then put the big ones through into the radiator, take out the little ones and put the big ones through. Yeah, I know. That's how I put my H80 on.
And then screw that from the top down.
Yep. Instead of you holding it, you put 2 dumpy screws in each radiator, put 2 long ones through each radiator, take the dumpy ones out there and put the long ones in. Yeah, I know.
By the way, I'm not so sure the push-pull method works so good. We did say this earlier, there's a lot of diversity about this.
Yeah, there's a lot of people arguing their opinions on this.
It all comes down to personal preference with push-pull. Personally, I'd be using a pull. And even though this guy said he would never use push-pull again,
That's what I'm doing.
he's using push-pull again. It's better due to low noise. I agree.
That's the only reason I'm using push-pull. It's quieter. Because the fans can run slower and deliver the same performance.
I'm using 6.
6 watts.
I was about to say 6 watts. 6 push-pulls. That's a lot of fans.
Okay, radiator's in, Simon.
Oh, it took us 3 hours and 10 minutes.
we just won't mention that part.
Jesus Christ. I'm using 4, I'm going to try and pronounce this, 4 Sif Gentle Typhoon fans on my 2...
gentle typhoons.
Yeah, 4 Sif Gentle Typhoon fans on my 2 GFX cards and 2 on my CPU.
Custom loop. Very nice, very nice.
Now you can maybe get the RAM back in. Not custom, using CPU coolers as easy to control. Yeah. Also, the only thing I've been concerned about is how close one radiator fan is to the exhaust fan on the case. I have found air turbulence is an issue in a situation like that, as makes it so neither fan works well. Basically, you're saying your exhaust fan at the back and the front are too close together. I was about to say, no, you can put that fan back there if you want to.
What fan back where?
The one you're putting in now.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing, guys.
I'm a professional.
This fan will not be staying here.
Just want to. There we go.
This fan will be getting moved to here, this hole here. This hard drive tray will be getting connected here. That's going to blow a shit ton of air in, and it's all going to come out the top. Massive amounts of overflow, yes. Way too much overflow, I know. but it's going to try and prevent dust.
Yeah, there we go. Helps I'm not sitting on my t-shirt to not choke myself. My H100 is outside my case. You would cry if you saw it.
I'm pretty sure I would have had to have cut a hole in the side of his case to get that out because you can't take the pipes off.
Oh, then that isn't a problem then. It's about your fan configuration.
It's that or it will stay there. It depends if we're going to be fucked to move it.
Inbox messages await the operator.
Cooler's in, dude. Motherboard's in. Cooler's back in. Sort out a BRB screen, Simon.
Why don't you remove that exhaust fan right away?
I don't know if I'm moving it or not. It might stay there. I'm going to check my temperatures first.
I will do you a pick. Fair enough. I don't know how you're going to send it, but okay.
He'll leave him for that. Leave him back there. Those are going to have to be alright. Get to that. Okay. Motherboard's in. Coolers are in. Fuck me, that's too much effort. Oh, there's definitely not going to be a cable management part to this today. That'll probably come tomorrow. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's starting to look like a PC. So what's left to go in? Internet. Which can stay out for now. So it's just power supply and graphics card, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. And your SSD and your hard drive
And storage. And then cable it all up. Okay then. Ladies and gentlemen. Time for a power supply.
Time for a power supply?
Time for a power supply.
I thought you wanted a break.
Eh?
I thought you wanted a break.
Yes, a break. A break, then power supply. Because we know where we're at now.
Well, talk some shit about your computer for a bit.
This is annoying.
It's looking good. The Asus as motherboard is nice.
It's the whole build is Asus or Corsair, apart from the SSD, which is Samsung, and the processor, which is obviously Intel. Apart from that, the entire thing is Asus or Corsair, including all my peripherals, which are all Corsair mouse, keyboard, headset, and it's Asus monitor.
Nice choices.
Oh. Okay. Oh, we'll go out this way. Then my crotch doesn't pass in front of the camera. Ugh. Bloody legs can't bend them enough. But yes, there'll be a beautiful thing of this when it's all on and LEDs everywhere.
That video was spoiled by Corsair. This video was sponsored by Corsair. We wish. Taking pics? Cool.
I wish it was sponsored by Corsair, man. Joe, I should mention it. Just like ring them up and be like, Corsair?
We're currently doing a
I've done an entire PC using all your parts. Do you know,
feel like sponsoring me?
feel like, sponsoring it a little bit? Check this guy out. He loves you. What case you got? NZXT. You what? Corset?
I'm actually going to come say that's one.
Yeah.
Give me one time.
Mate, that would be one hell of a... That's going to be one monster. You know that. That's going to be a fucking beaut. Like,
Yeah.
even just there, already... Like, look at that. Just look at that. Just
I
on
know.
that pitch there, it's like, oh! Fucking yeah!
That's what I'm looking for. My mind went blank there. It's like, what the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing?
What you're doing is everyone is currently staring at a case that's not getting worked on, going, what the fuck's going on? We're just trying to make some kind of screen to say we'll be right back. We go take a 5-minute break, and we'll come back, put in a power supply, cable it all up, with a graphics card tucked in there. Where the fuck's my phone? And there it is. Pass my phone up, please, Simon. Got a graphics card in there, hard drives in there, and it'll boot, and it'll be awesome. Oh, what's this?
Twitter @Corsair.
Tag the shit out of them, man.
I will. I'll make a tweet about it in a moment. Monster Cat. That's the one. That's the one I want. But yeah. Just give us one moment. I need to make all this.
This is such a ball ache. Sorry about the pause going on, people, but
Just need to give me a moment.
it's just going on onto that.
Right, because I already know what we'll be putting there.
The whole basic car's just gone.
Tired to make a tweet. Oh god.
Power cuts are due at 5 PM.
23 meg. Okay. Pictures are this raw file. You need to trust me.
Why do I not trust the RAR file? Why do we not trust RAR files, Simon? Click on it.
Is there no way to open?
Yeah, got downloaded. That's exactly why we don't trust RAR files.
Exactly. That's why I'm not willing to download at the moment.
Well, apparently power cuts were due like 20 minutes ago. Due at 5 PM, yeah, okay then.
Yeah.
Hooley Bridge has just collapsed.
So we're gonna have a lot of work to do then.
Over 5,000 houses are going to lose power at 4 PM.
Okay. I'd love to know how that works.
Yeah, Asus.
Yeah, that's the one. So they even have Twitter.
Yeah. Tag the normal sushi as well. Obviously, it's not all ROG, is it? Oh, okay. Power was due to go off at 3 p.m, then 4 p.m, then 5 p.m. It's now due off to go up at 6 p.m.
Right, people have said things. What?
What's going down, son?
You need to trust me because they, as you